Welcome, kids! Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is about types of energy, sound, light, heat, and electric currents.
Let's begin. What does the word transfer mean in science? And the correct answer is letter A, moving energy from one object to another. Select the picture that best shows energy being transferred during a collision. And the correct answer is letter C, fast ball hits ball. What does the word vibration mean? And the correct answer is letter B, objects moving back and forth quickly.
Choose the image that best shows sound causing objects to move. And the correct answer is letter C. Drum makes rice shake. A student taps a drum covered with plastic wrap and rice grains. Which drum beat causes the rice grains to move the most? And the correct answer is letter A, loud drum beat. Find the picture that best shows light warming a surface. And the correct answer is letter B. Flashlight shines on paper.
A student places a warm spoon into a cup of cool water. What will most likely happen? And the correct answer is letter A. The spoon cools while the water warms. Pick the image that best shows heat transferring to water. And the correct answer is letter C, warm spoon and cup. Based on the bar graph, which circuit produces the brightest light bulb? And the correct answer is letter B, strong battery circuit.
Select the picture that best shows energy traveling through a circuit. And the correct answer is letter C, closed switch lights bulb. Based on the line graph, what happens to the ground temperature as sunlight continues during the day? And the correct answer is letter A, the ground temperature increases. Identify the picture that best shows electrical energy making motion. And the correct answer is letter B, motor spinning.
True or false, electrical energy can be changed into sound energy. And the correct answer is letter B, true because buzzers can make sound. Choose the image that best shows electrical energy producing sound. And the correct answer is letter C, buzzer makes sound. True or false, electrical current can make a wire become warmer. And the correct answer is letter A, true because electrical energy can produce heat.
Select the picture that best shows electrical energy creating heat. And the correct answer is letter B, wire becomes warm. Sunlight shines on the playground during the day. How does sunlight transfer energy to the ground? And the correct answer is letter A, sunlight warms the ground surface. Find the image that best shows energy traveling through space. And the correct answer is letter C, lamp shines on toy.
A speaker plays loud music near small paper pieces. What evidence shows that sound energy is being transferred from the speaker to the paper pieces? And the correct answer is letter A. Paper pieces vibrate near speaker. Pick the image that best shows heat moving between objects. And the correct answer is letter B. Hands hold ice pack. A rolling toy car hits a stack of blocks. What shows that energy was transferred? And the correct answer is letter A. The blocks move after the collision.
Identify the picture that best shows light energy being blocked. And the correct answer is letter C. Hand blocks light beam. How can a battery and wires transfer electrical energy to make a bulb light up? And the correct answer is letter B. Energy travels through a complete circuit. Choose the image that best shows motion changing because energy was transferred during a collision. And the correct answer is letter C. Balls move after collision.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.